Hey guys, welcome back to another, I always said, excited video, right? I'm here again. Tell me what me I cook. Me I cook a lovely breakfast. I'm so hungry right now. I can't wait for till it done. Right? I'm gonna cook tofu, scrambled tofu with pancake, banana pancake. And here I have the pancake mix in these 2 cups. And here I have my syrup. It's better if you use maple syrup, but I have this one. And all my ingredients, my pepper and onion and garlic and everything for my tofu. And here is my dressing. For my tofu, I have black pepper, I have paprika, I have dash, and I have lemon season, and I have Maggi all-purpose. Okay, and half teaspoon of each. Here is my tofu. And here's my ripe banana. I'm gonna make pancake ripe banana with my topping, strawberry topping. So let me go ahead. Okay? I'm gonna wash my hand. Already washed these banana. You have to wash them even they have the top on it. You have to wash them, okay? Alright, here's my little blender. I'm gonna put, you know what, I'm just gonna use 2 bananas. You see them ripe? This is the banana you use when you're doing banana stuff, okay? I'm going to cut them up in this one. It's a quick breakfast here. I'm just going to use 2 bananas with 2 cups of pancake mix. Whenever time you're doing any thing, the ripe using banana, the riper the banana is the better for it, okay? Okay, I got some water, a glass of water, and it's cold water. It rises better when you use cold water and when you're doing all that. I'm dealing with my pancake first. I'm going to throw it in this container. Right. The liquid go in the here. Just a quick meal, you know. Just a quick meal. So this is 2 cups of pancake mix, 2 ripe banana, half cup of water, blend with your banana. Here you go, pretty good, right? You don't want this thinner. And remember, use ice water. Okay, this is my pancake battery. So I'm going to put it down. You don't have to put it down for long because I use ice water. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to soak my tofu in some salt water until I'm ready for it. A teaspoonful of salt. I'm not going to add no more salt to it. Okay, I'm going to put it to soak in the salt water. Yes. You can stick it like this. Because sometimes when tofu cook, salt don't taste much in it. If you could have it to soak in the water. Okay, you see I put my tofu to soak in the salt water. Here it is now. So I'm gonna crush it up and then I season it up. Look like egg, right?
This one looks like egg fried, scrambled egg, right?
Yeah, this look like scrambled egg. This is my tofu. Okay, I'm gonna add my season to my tofu. This is Miss Dash, complete season, Maggi season, black pepper and paprika. Half teaspoon each. Okay, I don't have to put no more salt in it, right? For the season to thicken it. Okay. Good, looking good, right? Okay, my tofu aside, and here goes my little season that I'm going to put. Very fine, I'm going to cut these to go in the tofu. Okay. If you're scrambling your tofu, you don't have to put all these things. But I like to use my pepper and all my stuff. It makes the food taste better. Okay? So that's why I like to cut up my pepper and thing and put in all my stuff. On my stuff, okay? So these are all my ingredients for my tofu. Pepper, I don't put no hot pepper. I don't want no hot pepper. I'm gonna put this in here. That it take out better, okay? You throw it out better when you have something like this. Okay, my pot is on medium. You don't want your pot too high. The fire is too high on the pot. Okay? I'm gonna spray my pot. I have the machine, you know, I have my pancake machine, but I prefer to go with it like this, okay? So I'm gonna put like why I put it in this, I just want it to I don't have to straighten it out. It by itself. No mess. Okay. Okay, this is my first batch. And here.
Golden brown.
Yeah, 3 minutes on both sides. Okay, okay, so I finished with my pancakes. I'm gonna start on my tofu now. For my tofu, I'm gonna put a little oil in the pot. My onion, scallion, pepper, tomato. I told you you don't have to put all these things in your thing when you're doing it, but I like to do it. This is my way. Okay? This is my way.
Pretty, cutting looking pretty running.
is my way. Okay, I'm gonna add my tofu. Taking out everything from the pot, right? This is scrambled tofu. I'm gonna cover it and let it steam and cook for like 10-15 minutes. This thing easy to Here goes my tofu. This is scrambled tofu. Looking very nice, right? Looking very nice. So it's ready. It's already done. I'm gonna turn off the stove and start to heat. Stay tuned. Hey guys, look at my finishing touch. My banana pancake with scrambled tofu and the strawberry and my banana. Look how delicious it look. Wow. Look how delicious. And on my top, I have my butter melting with my syrup, pancake syrup. Okay, here's go my butter melting, my strawberry with my tofu. Oh my God. Me not have to ask if this look good. Me not have to ask if this look good, right? Not have to ask if this look good. Oh Lord, I don't have to ask. Nice. My tofu, scrambled tofu. My banana. Everybody try this one. Try this one. And if you want more syrup, you can just throw syrup around, okay? Try this one. Guys, banana pancake. It's so delicious, so nice. Okay? Thank you all for joining with me. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, man. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.